Unit 1. System of parallels and meridians. Geographic coordinates. 1. System of parallels and meridians. Parallels or lines of latitude are imaginary horizontal lines that circle the Earth parallel to the equator, measuring a location distance north or south of the equator. Equator is an imaginary line that circles the Earth, diving it into the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. It is at 0° latitude. Meridians, or lines of longitude, are imaginary lines that run vertically from the North Pole to the South Pole with bright meridians through Greenwich, England, as a reference for measuring a location distance east or west. One of the key attributes of meridians is that they converge at the poles, meaning they meet at a single point. Another important attribute of the meridians is that they are not parallel to each other. Additionally, meridians are evenly spaced, with 360 degrees of longitude divided into 24 time zones, spanning 15 degrees of longitude. And the prime meridian together with the 180-degree meridians divide the Earth into the Western Hemisphere and the Eastern Hemisphere. Now look at this picture and we have few things to remember. North Pole, 90 degrees north. South Pole, 90 degrees south. Parallels of latitude. Meridians of longitude. Equator, 0°. Northern Hemisphere. Southern Hemisphere. Tropic of Cancer, 23 degrees 27 minutes north. Tropic of Capricorn, 23 degrees 27 minutes south. Arctic Circle, 66 degrees 33 minutes north. Antarctic Circle, 66 degrees 33 minutes south. Longitude, latitude, and geographic coordinates. Longitude and latitude are globe grid systems of imaginary line used to find any location on Earth. Latitude measures the location distance north or south of the equator, or 0° horizontal line, with lines running parallel to it, and degrees increasing to 90 degrees at the pole. Longitude measures location distance east or west of the prime meridians. Geographic coordinate system is a system that uses latitude and longitude to define locations on the Earth's surface. How to reach the geographic coordinates of a location on a map? For example, identify point C in the picture. Now we know the longitude, prime longitude, latitude, equator, western, eastern, northern, southern hemisphere. Where the longitude and latitude line cross, that's the geographical coordinate of the place. In this case, point C had the following geographic coordinate: C 10 degrees north and 20 degrees west. Attention, we will write the latitude first, then the longitude. For latitude, if in the northern hemisphere, at north after latitude. Example, 20 degrees north, 50 degrees north. In the southern hemisphere, at south after the latitude. Example, 20 degrees south, 50 degrees south. For longitude, if in the western hemisphere, at west after the longitude. Example, 20 degrees west, 50 degrees west. In the eastern hemisphere, at east after longitude. Example, 20 degrees east, 50 degrees east. And notations. For every 1 degree, we divide it into 60 minutes, and each minute is 60 seconds. That is the exact geographical coordinates of a point. Example, this is the geographical coordinates of the flagpole Hanoi. 21 degrees 1 minute, 57 seconds north, 105 degrees 50 minutes, 23 seconds east. Now geographical coordinates of the A. 60 degrees north, 120 degrees east. P. 30 degrees north, 60 degrees east. C. 30 degrees south, 90 degrees east. Nowadays, we just need to use Google Map or Google Earth. We will know the exact coordinates of any point on Earth. We just need to determine the location, the place we want to search. Brilliant and amazing. Thank you for listening and see you next lesson.